Which car polisher is actually good for beginners? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the answer. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 options that won't leave you scratching your head or your car. Product number 1, Neuskin Cordless Car Buffer. Let's kick things off with the Neuskin Cordless Car Buffer Polisher. Priced at $59.99, this tool caught my eye because it's lightweight, cordless, and comes with a bunch of attachments. If you want an easy way to wax, polish, and remove scratches, this is worth a serious look. The Neuskin features a smooth, swirl-free finish thanks to its random orbital design. It's equipped with two 21V batteries, allowing you to work efficiently without worrying about cords getting in your way. Plus, with 6 speed settings ranging from 2800 to 5800 RPM, you can tailor your polishing needs for different surfaces. This matters because it gives you the flexibility to handle everything from waxing to more intensive scratch removal. Here's the thing though, it's a safety feature, and most beginners won't be using it long enough to hit that limit. So it's not a deal breaker if you're just doing some weekend detailing. This is perfect for you if you're a first-time user wanting to tackle home car detailing. Skip this one if you're looking for something heavy-duty for a commercial setup. For the price, it delivers fantastic value. Now, if the battery life concerned you, the next product on my list might be a better fit for you. Product number 2, Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. Next up is Meguiar's Ultimate Compound, retailing at just $13.97. This is the kind of product that stands out because it's been trusted by over 10,000 buyers. If you want to fix scratches and bring that showroom shine back to your car, this one deserves your attention. This compound is designed to buff out imperfections like scratches, swirls, and oxidation. The microabrasive technology means it cuts through those issues quickly, making your car look as good as new in no time. Here's why this matters for you specifically: it's clear coat safe, meaning you don't have to worry about hazing on your paint. With such a high rating and sales volume, it's clear that people are seeing real results. Some users mentioned that it can be a bit challenging to remove if left on too long. But honestly, just follow the instructions and you won't have a problem. It's still super effective for beginners and those who don't want to spend a fortune. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly solution to maintain your car's paint. Skip it if you prefer a full polishing tool, as this is more of a compound. For the price, it's a steal. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more hands-on approach. Product number 3, AOBEN Car Buffer Polisher. Coming in at $44.99, we have the AOBEN Car Buffer Polisher. This caught my attention because it offers a 6-inch dual-action polisher that feels really user-friendly for newbies. If you're tired of worrying about scratches while polishing, this is worth a serious look. This means you can easily switch settings based on what you're working on, whether it's waxing or removing paint defects. The ergonomic design with a side handle also helps reduce fatigue during longer detailing sessions. Here's why this matters: you can get a great finish without feeling worn out. However, some users reported that it can stop working if too much pressure is applied at the lower speeds. But let's be real, just adjusting your pressure will keep it running smoothly. This shouldn't discourage beginners, just be mindful of how much force you use. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable polisher with easy speed adjustments. Skip this if you only need something for basic waxing, as it might be more than you need. Overall, it's a solid investment for beginners. Now, if ease of use is your main concern, the next product is definitely worth a look. Product number 4, Chemical Guys TORQX Kit. Next on the list is the Chemical Guys TORQX Random Orbital Polisher Kit, which runs about $189.19. This comprehensive kit grabbed my attention because it includes everything you need to get started. If you're serious about your car detailing and want to invest a bit more, this is an option to consider. The TORQX comes with a powerful 700W motor and an 8mm orbit, which ensures smooth polishing performance without risking damage to your paint. This kit is designed for beginners and pros alike, featuring simple controls and an ergonomic design that makes it comfortable for extended use. Plus, it eliminates light scratches and oxidation, enhancing your car's gloss. This is a big deal if you want your vehicle to look its best. On the flip side, it is a bit pricier than other beginner options. Some might find it hard to justify the cost if they're just starting out. However, for those planning to detail regularly, the investment pays off in spades. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a complete starter kit to tackle car detailing like a pro. Skip it if you're on a tight budget or just want something simple. But if you're ready to step up your game, this is a fantastic choice. If you're looking for something that's more compact and versatile, the last product will fit that bill perfectly. Product number 5, SPTA Cordless Mini Polisher. Finally, we have the SPTA Cordless Mini Car Polisher, priced at $111.97. I was drawn to this one because it's compact and designed for tight spots, making it super handy for detailing. If you need something lightweight and easy to maneuver, this could be the right fit for you. It operates with a dual-action rotation for a swirl-free finish, and the variable speed controller allows for adjustments from 1,000 to 5,000 oscillations per minute. This flexibility is great for tackling intricate areas of your vehicle. One downside is that it has less battery life compared to larger polishers. Some users found themselves needing to recharge sooner than expected. This is perfect for you if you often deal with intricate detailing tasks. Skip this if you need a heavy-duty polisher for larger areas, as it may not be the best fit. Overall, I think it offers great value for what it can do. So to wrap things up, we've covered 5 fantastic car polishers for beginners. The Neoskin gives you cordless convenience, Meguiar's offers an affordable compound, AOBEN is perfect for varied speeds, Chemical Guys provides a complete kit, and SPTA is great for tight spots. Each has its strengths, so it really depends on what you need. Happy polishing!